Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best garage door sensor bracket is probably one of the most overlooked components of your garage door system, yet it plays a crucial role in ensuring the safety and smooth operation of your automatic door. This often forgotten piece of hardware is essential for the proper functioning of your garage door's safety sensors, preventing accidents and ensuring that the door reverses when it encounters an obstruction. In this video, we will explore the critical aspects of choosing the right garage door sensor bracket, helping you select the perfect one to enhance your garage door's safety and reliability. Number 5. Liftmaster Safety Sensors. Enhance the safety of your garage door opener with these easy-to-install sensors. They're compatible with many popular brands and models. This kit includes everything you need for a quick and straightforward installation. No special tools are required. It works seamlessly with Liftmaster, Sears, Chamberlain, Craftsman, and Wayne Dalton garage door openers. Check your model for compatibility. These sensors are a direct replacement for older models, offering improved reliability and a more secure connection. They eliminate the common wire-related issues. While it doesn't add a safety sensor feature if your opener lacks one, it provides a reliable replacement for existing sensors, ensuring your family's safety. The kit contains 2 sensors with attached wires, 2 mounting brackets, all necessary hardware, and easy-to-follow instructions. Everything you need is right here. What we like. It's a perfect replacement for your old, failing sensors. If you're experiencing issues with your current sensors, this is a simple solution. Choose this if you need a reliable and straightforward replacement for your garage door opener. What people say. Took about 10 minutes and everything works great. The crimp-on wire connectors are a nice touch. Safety sensor beam eyes for 41A5034 worked with my 1995 Craftsman's garage door, took about 20 minutes to install. I am happy to say they did. If you look carefully in the picture, you can see that I had to swap the polarity. I used the included wire connectors, which were easy. You just clip the wires, no stripping of the wire insulation is necessary, insert them into the connector, and squeeze the colored button with a pair of pliers until it is down all the way. Some grease to protect the connection squeezes out, and the connection is made. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I liked the brackets too. I unbolted the old brackets from the wall. These were made so they securely clip over the garage door tracks. Quick and easy. Number 4. Liftmaster 41A5034 Sensor Kit. Is your garage door opener's safety system outdated? This kit provides a reliable replacement, ensuring your family's safety. It's compatible with many popular brands like Liftmaster, Sears, Chamberlain, and Craftsman. Check the description for a full list of compatible models. Everything you need is in a box: 2 sensors, brackets, screws, and easy-to-follow instructions. We even include wire crimps for a secure connection. Installing this kit is a breeze. The detailed instructions guide you through each step, making it a DIY-friendly project. This kit provides peace of mind, ensuring your garage door's safety sensors are functioning correctly and protecting your loved ones. We stand behind our product. If any parts are missing or defective, we'll replace it immediately. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need for a smooth installation. If you value convenience and a hassle-free experience, this is the best option. Choose this if you want a simple, complete solution without searching for extra parts. What people say. The little sensor works great and it was a snap to install. Sensors went in very easily and wiring connectors worked fine. Easy to install, works great. Number 3. Garage Stop 41A5034 Sensor Kit. Introducing the Garage Stop 41A5034 Safety Sensor Kit. It's designed to enhance the safety of your garage door system. This kit is compatible with many popular garage door openers, including Chamberlain, Liftmaster, Sears, and Craftsman models from 1997 onwards. It's the perfect replacement for older sensors. It's a direct replacement for several older sensor models, such as 261, 0459, 01238, 105, 0345, 041A5034, G801CB, P801CB, and 41A5266-1. Upgrade your system easily. This kit provides a reliable safety mechanism for your garage door, stopping it from closing if an obstruction is detected. It ensures peace of mind for your family. Installation is quick and easy thanks to the included detailed instructions. You'll have it set up in minutes. Remember to disconnect the power before starting. The kit includes everything you need for a complete sensor replacement, including the sensors, brackets, and easy-to-follow instructions. Get yours today. What we like. It works with many garage door opener brands. If you need a reliable replacement that fits various models, this is a great choice. Choose this if you want a universal solution that's compatible with most garage door openers. What people say. Needed to replace a broken sensor, put both in place works fine, like new. These work well. Easy installation. Number 2. 41A5034 Garage Door Sensor Kit. This kit ensures your garage door operates safely and reliably. It's compatible with many major brands and easy to install. It works with Liftmaster, Sears, Chamberlain, Craftsman, and more, for garage door openers made after 1997. This makes it a perfect replacement for many older models. Everything you need is in the box: 2 sensors, mounting brackets, screws, and a detailed instruction manual. Installation is straightforward. Replacing your old sensors is a breeze. Just remember to disconnect the power before starting. The kit includes easy-to-follow instructions. We stand behind our product. If you have any questions, contact us, and we'll respond within 24 hours. Your satisfaction is our priority. While this kit fits many models, please verify compatibility with your garage door opener before purchasing. We're here to help if you need assistance. What we like. It includes all necessary components and offers excellent customer support. If you appreciate comprehensive service and peace of mind, this is for you. Choose this if you want a complete kit with great customer service. What people say. Made well. Work great. Used these to replace a defective sensor. Shipment received quickly and installation was easy. All works great. These were purchased to replace an ancient set that had given up the ghost. I just cut the old ones off, wired these new ones up, and the door works perfectly again. Number 1. Liftmaster 41A6569 Safety Sensors. These brackets are designed to enhance the safety of your Liftmaster garage door opener. They ensure smooth and reliable operation. Installation is simple and straightforward. You'll have these safety sensors securely mounted in no time. They provide an extra layer of protection for your family and your garage. It's peace of mind knowing your garage door is operating safely. These brackets are built to last, ensuring consistent performance for years to come. They are a vital component for safe garage door operation. You can trust in the quality and reliability of these brackets. They are a genuine Liftmaster part, ensuring compatibility and performance. These sensors are a small investment for a big return in safety and peace of mind. Keep your family and property safe. What we like. It's an original Liftmaster product, ensuring quality and durability. If you prioritize brand reliability and long-lasting performance, this is the one for you. Choose this if you want the assurance of a quality, original brand part. What people say. Come with everything you need. Multiple mounting options and easy to assemble. Much better than the clip-on brackets supplied with the door opener. You can still knock them out if you hit them hard enough, but they don't wander around with the vibrating door track anymore. When we had our house built, we had the opener installed too. The sensors were attached to the track, and that has been causing me to order new sensors when I should have ordered this. It takes the sensor off the track and onto the garage wall. Very easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.